Hey guys, in today's video we will learn how to make someone admin on Discord. So for that, first open your Discord server or your Discord web browser. I'm opening my web browser. Here you can search Discord and log into Discord. Here you can see I have already logged in, so I'm just opening the Discord. Now you can see your profile here. In the left side, go to the server that you want to change the settings to make someone admin. Now go to the server setting in the left side and create a role. Go to the role setting and now you can find the create role. Tap on that. Now you can find new roles. You can edit it. As we want to make an admin, write admin and you can choose any color for this role. Now you can choose any settings that you want. I'm choosing this display role number separately so that it will be easier to see, and don't forget to save the changes. Now go to the permissions. Here you can scroll down and you can find the administrator. Tap on that. With this setting, all the permissions for rejection, for specific permission will be given to this person, and save these changes. Now go back and tap on the profile that you want to change the settings, that you want to make the admin. In the last section you can find the roles and you can tap on the admin role. Now for just showing you, I am showing you again that it's done. The admin role is here. Now this person is admin. Now you can see in the right side the person's name is of the admin's color that we have choose. So this is it, guys.